Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you something honestly very cool. NVIDIA is giving developers access to free AI endpoints that you can start using right now. No expensive setup, no GPU at home, and you can test powerful models in a minute. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can do that. Very easy. Let's do it. First of all, in the NVIDIA website, create an account. Like me, you should create an account, and then you need to generate an API key like this. I have done one already. If you want to create more or create the first one, do it. It needs a key name, expire time, and then just generate key. I should mention, to be able to create an account and be able to use API keys, you need a phone number and an email. That's all. It sent you a verification email and verification code to your phone number, and then everything is fine. So far everything is easy. You will need that API key everywhere, so keep it somewhere, or every time come here and copy it. That's all. So please don't forget, we need the API key to be able to continue. That's all. Let's go ahead. In the NVIDIA portal website, they explain to us there is a downloadable version, API key, such things, and then this URL, integrate.api.nvidia.com. Okay, so since we have an API key already, we can jump it to this URL and see what is going to happen and what should we do. Let's go. This is that page. Overview, talking about specific models, downloadable models, this type of things, and then this URL. They said the endpoint is a post method. We want chat computations. We wanna touch these things later. And now we should know the variety of models. No problem. We can come here. Yeah. In the models link. So now I can search. Since I was looking for free endpoints, I have chosen free endpoint and code generation. I can remove that criteria and have more and more options like this. So these are the things that are free to use. They are a little bit limited, but I haven't hit any limitation so far. I could do whatever I wanted. But they mentioned that there is some kind of rate limit or limit. I have been happy so far. I don't know. Free endpoint. Since this is my main criteria, everything is free in front of my face like this. If you want to use, for example, something to do image to text, for example, you can choose and then apply. Then you might have less options. but I'm not going to use image to text ones. Okay, so now as you can see, you have variety of options to use for free. How can we use? As you could see, by a simple URL and a post method. So let's do it. Let's do it. Look at this. If you copy this CURL statement, command, something like that, you will see this is the endpoint, header. You need that API key that I was talking about at first to be replaced here, and then the body. In the body you can mention which model you want to use, your prompt. That's all. Finish. So I have done this inside Postman to show you how really it works. Let's do it. This is Postman. This is my URL. I have chosen post. Then in the authorization I have chosen bearer token, and then I did paste my API key as I was talking about at first here, and then body raw JSON, and this is the body, the model, the content, and the rest. So let me change my prompt to at which year .NET has been released. Not bad. Let's see. Yeah, .NET was first released in 2002. Done. So if you create an endpoint and use this guy, this endpoint inside your endpoint, you can simply create a chatbot. You only need a UI. That's all. Finish. Easy. If you want to change your model, you should come here. You should come here and change it. To what? To whatever you can find in that page that I already showed you. Let's have a look again. Whatever is here can be used as a free endpoint. Like, let me see. This one, for example, is not bad. Coin. Yeah. Or another one, Mistral. Let's do it. Let's try. I only changed the model name to Mistral 1 that I have targeted to use. The result is not guaranteed. There are a variety of models. We can try and find out which one is the best, or we already plan to use a specific one. It's a little bit tricky. It's trying to give me the answer, but I haven't seen any. So in general, you could see how to use and what to do to be able to use these free API models. That's all. It was the main goal of this video. Having the answer from a specific one doesn't matter, that one. That's it. I hope you can enjoy it and do some things beneficial. Thank you so much.